Babe, I was in the room looking for you. Why are you on the couch all dead and shit? What's going on?
My stomach.
What do you mean your stomach? What's wrong?
I'm not feeling well. I don't know if it's gas or something, but I don't.
Gas, baby, gas don't make you do this. Like, what's going on? All right, you're having stomach pains. Do you want me to call off from work? You want me to take you to the hospital? Like,
I don't know. I feel like woozy and lightheaded-esque.
baby, that sounded like hospital talk. I think I'm gonna call off.
You don't need to. You do not need to. I need you to go to work. I thank you.
Babe, this sounds a little more serious.
You can go to work. It's okay. It's okay.
You sure you're gonna be alright? Why don't you call Lo over here so she can make sure you're good?
I'm definitely gonna do it. You're not gonna be alright.
Alright, baby. Just give me a call later, alright? Let me know how you're doing. I'll check on you again. Alright? I love you. Be okay, alright? Feel better.
Babe, you see my phone?
Babe, it was on the side of you. Check on the back of the couch.
Thank you.
Love you.
I love you more. Hello? Yeah, what's up? Yeah, I know you've been trying to reach me. Yeah. Can you come over, Lolo? I know, I'm in pain. I'm not dying. I'm in pain. Can you please come over? It's an emergency. I love you so much. Alright, I'll see you. Alright. Who left this damn music on? What is this? The door's open!
Bree!
I'm not here.
What happened? What happened? Bree!
What?
Are you okay? What happened?
I'm not there. I don't feel good right now.
What's happening?
I don't know. Like, I had to throw up.
Okay, can I come in? When you get a chance, come out. Let's talk about it, okay?
I feel crazy right now.
You can sit. So tell me what's happening.
I started feeling weird in my stomach earlier, and I couldn't get up. And I felt like I had to throw up for a minute, like everything was coming up. Because I couldn't hold down my breath this morning. It already came out. It's the second time this is happening. I don't know what's going on with my body. I never felt this before. I don't feel like the cramp that I get. I don't feel like the gas I get.
Do you think it's something that you ate?
I haven't been eating anything abnormal.
Do you think you're pregnant?
Nah.
No.
I ain't never
You
been
can't rule
pregnant
that out.
before. I
So?
don't know what it feels like.
Okay. Is it okay if I go get your pregnancy test? I think you're pregnant.
That's gonna bring bad voodoo on me, but you can get one. I just don't want to take one and then it
You're
says,
gonna take it. I'm gonna make you take it.
Alright.
Okay. I'll be right here. Okay?
Alright.
I'll be right back.
Alright. Pick up this damn call.
Yo, this girl is playing me, yo. Can never get her phone. Call her again.
What, man? Hello?
Yo, look when I'm calling you, yo. I'm trying to get you from last month. Like, what's going on with you?
I know it's been a minute, Yachty, but that was a one-time thing, and I need you to stop calling my phone. I have a husband.
Yo, but yo, we got something really old. Like, that last month was like great with you. Like, what's going on?
I haven't been feeling well. I'm sorry. Like, I apologize for that, and I'll take ownership of that. But you gotta stop calling me. You gotta stop calling me.
Alright, whatever, yo. It's cool. Alright? It's cool.
Alright. Time for this.
Bree, I'm back.
What's up, boo?
How are you feeling?
I'm still
So fine. Well, I went and got the pregnancy test.
For what?
So you can take the shit.
You funny.
You done? Yes, I'm so serious. I told you I was going to get it. Here you go. So take your ass in the bathroom and take this shit and let's see what's happening. I'll stay out here.
Oh, God. Yo, Lo, what's good with this? This supposed to have 2 lines?
Yeah, that means you're
How
pregnant.
does work?
That means you're pregnant.
Pregnant where?
Look, 1 means negative, 2 means positive. There's no line.
That's not me. Don't
Do you
touch
see
it.
that? I'm showing you.
That's not mine.
So whose is it?
I don't know.
Who took the test? You're pregnant, girl.
No.
I'm gonna be a godmother. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, you're finally pregnant for your boyfriend. I'm so excited. I'm happy for you.
I should have told you this a long time ago.
Tell me what? What is there to tell me?
You're my best friend.
Right.
Remember that nigga you called a bum?
What? Maybe a month ago we went to take that walk?
Yeah.
What
That
about him?
nigga, I feel, is the reason why that steak got too done.
Wait, hold up. You mean to tell me you slept with the bum? You cheated on your boyfriend? What the fuck? What is wrong with you?
Everything. He wasn't doing anything.
I agree. Really, I understand that, but at the same time, why would you go find comfort in someone else? That makes no
He
sense.
probably finds comfort in everything else but me. This was the last time I was gonna try to do anything for him. When I was horny and we got into that argument, I tried to make up for it and I tried to do something with him and he completely turned me down and told me to fuck myself. So I'm not. That's why I did what I did. And it was a one-time thing. I know it was a mistake, so I didn't go back. But nah.
Okay, have you heard from him since?
He hit me up, but I've been ignoring it because I've been
Yes.
trying. I knew it was a mistake. I've been not trying to
Right.
hit him up, and now it's like I had to pick up today, let him know what kind of, not what happened, but
Does he know you're pregnant?
no, it just told me I wasn't feeling well. That's why I couldn't pick up.
How are you sure that it's his and not your boyfriend's?
Because we have not done shit.
Right.
He hasn't been doing anything. So it's like, what do you want me to do? I slipped up that one time. It's like,
What are you
And
gonna
I
do?
still regret
Are you
it.
gonna tell your boyfriend? What? You gotta tell him
doing what?
that you're fucking pregnant. What the hell?
I can't think first. Like, I can't.
You can think about it, but you need to tell him as soon as possible.
Yeah, man. I'm just getting home. I'm going to check on him now. I'll call you back when I get home. Alright, bro.
Hey.
Very good. Okay. You look a lot better. What up, Lo?
What's up?
I'm hanging in there. You need anything? You want me to make some tea? Let me make you some tea. Gotcha.
How was work?
Long and exhausting. But
Okay, guys, I'm gonna head out.
Lo, that quick? You out?
Yeah, it's been a long day.
Alright, travel safe. I hope you got a mask.
I
So make sure you get your mask.
Later.
Your mask.
Bye. Oh crap! I forgot my bag.
Yeah. So get your mask.
Alright.
Baby.
What's up, baby? You okay? Hold on one second. You alright? Yeah. Hey, Bill, what's up? you mean? That paperwork was supposed to be submitted by Devin hours ago, and he left it on my table. It should have been in. Don't worry about it. I'll handle it, alright? Alright. Baby. Apparently Devin's essay for the month didn't go through, and that's gonna put off the pay log. I gotta go make sure it's in. Listen, it won't take more than 20 minutes at the office. I'll be right back, okay? If you need anything on my way back, let me know, alright? Love you.
Sucks, son. What if this is the only child God blesses me with? I'm not trying to think of damn abortions. No. I can't have a baby that's not my husband's baby. Especially by some bum. I hope he forgives me if I tell him. I need to say something to him. I don't know what to tell him. He's gonna get mad. I don't know how I'm gonna bring it up to him without him exploding on me. I just need him to hear, but he's not gonna fucking hear it. I don't believe in killing things. This is still a life. It's still something. I respect that. Now I gotta tell this guy that he might be the father to this kid. Why would I do this shit? I need to call him right now. Fuck it, I'm calling him. I'm not about to. He's gonna know this is his kid. That's it.
Yo.
Hello? My bad. Don't hang up. Please don't hang up.
What do you want?
Can you just meet me one more time?
What do you need to see me for?
This is super important and I need to talk to you. I'm dead ass. I'm dead ass. Alright. Meet out the same place.
Yo, brother. Well, you know, so I have to do certain things, but I have to meet that girl. Remember that girl with me I tell you about family days?
Yeah, but ain't the girl like dumped you the other day and shit and all that shit?
Yeah, dog. She said she was important and something. I'm not upon the childish behavior and everything. So
Yeah.
just followed you.
Fuck it. Let's go, bro.
What's up?
Yo, what happened?
I'm trying to tell you what's going on with me.
What's going on? Like, yo, you're dumb for 1 whole month. I call on your phone.
There's a reason for that.
For what?
I haven't been feeling well. This is serious.
So you tell me that for me look like your man?
This is important, nigga. You had your dick in. I gotta tell you what's going on, right?
You just tell me it's a one night thing, so that was nothing. Like,
What
yo,
happened
don't
was
waste my time, man.
basically
Like,
what's
what?
going on with me.
Yo, I ain't gonna, yo, bro, we gotta move these packs, bro.
Alright, let's go, bro. Shit.
Move past. I ain't getting pregnant by no damn drug dealer. Fuck.
Hold on, bro. You what?
I ain't getting pregnant by no drug dealer.
You're having my baby?